Good morning, children. Today we'll continue chapter number 5, acids, bases, and salt.
Good morning, ma'am.
Last class we did the
Good morning, ma'am.
difference between acids and bases. The substances which are sour in taste, they contain acids, and the substances which are bitter in taste, they are known as bases. So this is the simplest differentiation between the acids and bases. So let's discuss. After that, we did the definition of indicator. That what is indicator is, there are special type of substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. That substances are known as indicators. So today, children, this we did in the last class. Today, I want to start the natural indicators around us.
Indicators.
Too many indicators are there around us, so one by one we are going to study that all. So first natural indicator we are going to study is a litmus.
From
Con-
5.2.
yes, natural indicators around us. Litmus, a natural dye. Start reading. Okay, start, Fiona.
5.2 Natural indicator around us. Litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve purple color.
Mauve color means the mauve color, that is a purple color in distilled water.
Mauve color means purple color in distilled water. When added to an acetate solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available and as red and blue litmus paper.
Okay, but okay, thank you. So, children, I want everybody to underline. This is very important. First natural indicator is litmus. Litmus paper, it's available in two colors. One is red and blue litmus paper. Okay, just underline. It's very important. When added to a acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It's very important to underline, as we have told that natural indicators are used to test the substances, either they are acid or either they are basic in nature. Okay, so when add to acidic solution it turns red, and when added to basic solution it turns blue. So this lichen is a natural dye which is used as an indicator. So children, you can see the diagram also. There may be a one marker questions. So these are the two strips. This is a red color strip and this is a blue color strip of litmus paper. And when we use it in the acid and bases, the color changes. We do experiments in the lab also. So here is an activity 5.1. We can do this activity. Next natural indicator is turmeric. So we can do different experiments by using turmeric. So beta start reading Kavya, activity 5.2. Continue. Now start.
Activity 5.2
Take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by disposing turmeric paste on uh, blotting paper, filter paper and drying it. Cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? To prepare lime water, take some water in a tumbler and add some.
Yes, beta, continue. So children, this is a solution. We have tested turmeric as a natural indicator. How, which color turmeric gives with the acid, so and with base. Here is an activity. I had told you, you can do this activity at your home even when you have seen the turmeric. हल्दी का कोई पाउडर है या हल्दी का जो कोई मिक्सचर है और द वेजिटेबल विच इज मेड अप ऑफ टर्मरिक, it just spill on your cloth, and when you wash it, the color changes. Wash with the soap, the color changes to red color. So it means it gives color, red color with the base, and it gives light yellow color with the acid. So children, here is an table 2.2. You need to complete it. Complete this table, everybody. Test solution. Suppose we are testing any of the solution here. So in first box you can write down lemon juice. You can write down lemon juice. So first test is with the litmus paper. Lemon juice, you know it is acidic, the color changes to red. Here write down lemon juice, test solution, and here effect on red litmus paper. Changes to red, no effect, acid. Okay, it is clear. Here write down lemon juice, color changes to red, no effect, and third in inference you can write down it is acid. Second, you can take vinegar. Third, you can take anything else you can take. First, you have taken lemon juice. Second is vinegar. Third is sodium hydroxide. You can write down sodium hydroxide. Baking soda you can write down. Baking soda. Okay. So second, you have written vinegar. Same. The effect on red litmus paper, it changes to red. So effect on red litmus paper, no change. Here you will write down the litmus paper changes to red. Blue litmus paper changes to red. And this is acid. Last वाला हमने लिखा है baking soda. In baking soda, you can write down here blue in first. See on the screen. Here you can write down blue. Here it is blank. And in this column, you can write down base. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So in this way, we can fill the table. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next indicator is China rose. So China rose, we can say the petals of we'll collect the petals of China rose, place in the beaker and add some water in it. Now see what color. This is a China rose indicator is ready with us. Now we can test it with the different acids, base and salt. See which color it gives. We have to test. Nishchay Jan, unmute yourself. Nishchay.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from this paragraph. We have put the petals of China rose plant in the warm water. Then what happens? Keep the mixture.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of the indicator to each of the solutions given in table 5.4. What is the effect of the indicator on acidic, basic and neutral solutions? China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink and basic solutions to green.
Okay, beta.
Activity 5.
Activity next. Where is the next activity? So, children, you must have got it from here. China rose indicator turns acidic solution to which color? It changes acidic solution to which color? Tell me.
Dark pink. Ma'am, dark
Dark pink.
pink.
And the
Ma'am,
basic
dark
solutions
pink.
to, and the basic solution to green in color. So children, in this way we can see, I just want to recap that China rose gives dark pink color with the acidic solution and green color with the basic solution. Okay. In the same way as we have did in the turmeric case, turmeric gives light color solution, light yellow color with the acidic and red color with the base. Okay. So in this way, the different indicators gives the different